10 Amazing health benefits of a morning walk. Dear viewer, how are you? I hope you're fine and happy. This video is very helpful for everyone. Please see the complete video. A 30-minute walk in the morning can change your life, especially if you suffer from a host of lifestyle-related diseases such as diabetes, obesity, heart disease. A morning walk is easy on your joints and heart, and the fresh morning air can help calm your nerves, improve your mood, and keep you energetic and positive for the rest of the day. Just buy a pair of walking shoes and take a walk in the nearby park. Because a 30-minute morning walk is equivalent to 2 hours of grooming. But why should you walk only in the mornings? Well, here's what science has to say. 1. Energizes the body. Walk every morning gives your body the energy that it needs to get through the day. It helps increase the circulation of blood and the supply of oxygen and keeps you active and alert all day. 2. Aids weight loss. Obesity is one of the major causes of many deaths and diseases. And the main reason for being obese is the sedentary lifestyle that you lead. If you think you need to lose weight, your doctor has suggested that you lose weight, you can start by walking. It will be easy on your heart, and you will work out without feeling exhausted. There is nothing like a brisk walk for 30 to 40 minutes daily to help you. It helps elevate the heart rate and burn calories that are essential for weight loss. Experts say that you can lose weight healthily without changing your diet by walking every day. 3. Controls cholesterol. The body needs a certain amount of cholesterol to maintain optimum health and build cell membranes. However, there is a greater risk of heart problems when there is an excessive amount of blood lipids, especially when they are in the form of LDL cholesterol. At the same time, low amounts of HDL can also be harmful. Following an active lifestyle and including activities like walking is an excellent way to make sure the levels of cholesterol in your body are regulated. 4. Lowers the risk of diabetes. Diabetes is one of the most predominant lifestyle-related diseases these days. But you can tame this metabolic disorder if you walk in the mornings. According to research, a 30-minute morning walk can help improve blood sugar control as well as aid the management of insulin in 2-type diabetes. This benefits diabetics immensely. 5. Tones the body. Just shedding the fat is not enough if you want to look slim and toned. Walking is a great option to get a fabulously toned body without having to do strenuous exercises. A brisk morning walk can help in restoring muscle tone. You can tone your legs, tummy, and other parts of your body. Walking daily can also define the muscles in your cuffs, buttocks, and quads. Forget joining a gym. Make morning walks your way to get a perfectly toned body. 6. Boost the immune system. As you have read earlier, walking improves blood circulation in the body. This has wonderful effects on the immune system. It also improves the supply of oxygen throughout the body. Walking for just 30 minutes a day strengthens the immune system and keeps you protected from various illnesses and serious diseases. 7. Promotes restful sleep. The stress that you go through each day can cause insomnia. The best way to fight this is to take a walk every day. Morning walks help calm your mind. And at the end of the day, you can get a good night's sleep and feel well rested when you wake up. In fact, if your lifestyle is not that active and you find it difficult to fall asleep, then you must walk in the mornings. 8. Makes skin glow. Dermatologists suggest that any exercise that improves blood circulation gives your skin a healthy glow. And there is no better exercise than walking. It helps in delaying the onset of the signs of aging such as fine lines and wrinkles. Proper blood circulation also prevents pimples, acne, and other skin problems. With morning walks, you can achieve naturally radiant skin. 9. Promotes healthy hair. Ask your doctor, and he will tell you that being active has an important role to play in good hair health. Walking helps in keeping the hormones in your body well balanced. It also improves blood circulation, which does wonders for the health of your hair. It promotes healthy hair growth and prevents hair loss as well. To get beautiful, lustrous hair, make it a point to go for a walk every morning. 10. Improves overall health. There is nothing like a morning walk every day to improve your health. Every part of your body benefits from this exercise. A brisk 30-minute walk can extend your lifespan by about a year. Please subscribe our channel for more video. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.